I could have never dreamed that it would have been this remarkable a change.
You end up with what I believe for me is $1 million smile.
I could go back to being who Scott was. I don't have to worry about my teeth anymore.
And I actually don't mind taking pictures. This is permanent. You don't have to ever worry about that smile again.
Someone walked in and said, "Oh my, you have a beautiful smile." It made me feel good.
The extra amenities that are there to make you feel reassured, I would say this is the place for you to go to.
I need to know that I'm going to be able to go somewhere where I can feel welcome and not just be a number.
For 55 years, have been terrorized, and he made it go away. Let them coddle you. In no time at all, you will be fine.
They treated it all as if it was their utmost priority. They always went above and beyond to help me, every single time. Because it's a huge emotional journey.
What they do is transform lives. If it bothers you, change it. You have the power.
My kids give me a reason to smile every day, and now I actually feel like I can. It's amazing. It's very freeing.
When it comes to minimally invasive smile makeovers, we've got a few options. Veneers and bonding are very popular. The main difference is veneers are made in a lab, and they're made out of a porcelain, so they're very aesthetic, they last very long, and they look as natural as you can make them. We'll typically recommend our patients go through Invisalign if they have not already done some kind of braces treatment, just to kind of get the bite lined up, and that way when we know we're putting on veneers, the bite's going to be in an ideal position. So the process of veneers is relatively simple. You'll come in, we'll take some molds of your teeth to basically do a mock-up of how we want your smile to look like, and that way we have an end goal in mind. After that is completed, we'll bring you in, prepare your teeth, and then you'll leave that day with some temporary veneers. In about a few weeks, after our ceramist, who is in-house in our lab, makes your veneers, we'll bring you back in, take the temporaries off, and put the final veneers on, and you're good to go. She'll literally sit there and hand design your veneers custom to your mouth to fit your smile, so the custom shape, the custom shading enhances it to make it look even healthier. So that day that they're getting their veneers seated, they're so excited. They tell me they couldn't sleep the night before. They were, couldn't wait to get them on. And then the beautiful part about it is we always surpass their expectations. They always tell me it looks better than they expected, it feels better than we expected, so natural. We've chosen to keep our lab in-house, so we keep all accountability on us, and even if there's something that you don't like about it, we can typically make that change to the veneer the day of. Patients like to come get their treatment done with us here, especially veneers, because we treat them as family. They get to meet the whole team. They get to meet the doctor, of course, the assistant, the lab technician who's going to work with them, the front desk who's going to keep in contact with them during the entire process. So it's really nice for everybody to get to meet each other, know the personality, and get a quality product that is tailored to the patient.
When I was probably about 4 years old, they wrapped me into a tight, almost a straitjacket kind of thing. And to this day, at almost 60 years old, I remember it like yesterday, that feeling of not being able to move. It was a horrible experience, and it went downhill from there. But I was terrified to go to the dentist. I would sometimes get guilty feelings, and I would make appointments, and then I wouldn't keep them. I'd even go so far as to drive by the parking lot and just keep going. Blood pressure, take a hike, anxiety, moving. I was just so afraid. To the point where I even needed Valium to even just go for a cleaning. My husband went to Fort Bend Dental, and they treated him very well. I went in. Dr. Jabor was phenomenal with me, very patient. He would take as long as I needed to relax. The staff helped me to trust them enough to let them take good care of me without the medications. And each time I go, it reinforces that again, that I'm okay, that he's not going to hurt me on purpose. If he thinks something will hurt, he'll tell me. It helped me to be able to be where I am now, which is amazing to me, because I, for 55 years, have been terrorized, and he made it go away. I used to stay up at night. I would wake up in the middle of the night sick. The anxiety was so much for me. Now I have a dental appointment, I gotta go see the dentist, and off I go. Let them take care of you. Let them answer your questions. Let them coddle you. In no time at all, you will be fine. They take very good care of you and you can be like normal people.
Most dental facilities aren't capable of managing a large volume of immediate care, but Fort Bend Dental specifically built its model to be able to see any patient same day.
We are here for all of our services to you for emergencies of any kind. We're standing in one of our state-of-the-art surgical suites that we have here on campus.
Surgical OR lights, 2 of those. We have patient monitoring, nitrous oxide, everything to make sure you're super comfortable in this room. Lots of space. We even have IV equipment here, so we're able to sedate you on the spot if we need to.
We're happy to see you for any of those reasons. Broken teeth, extractions, major infections, anything of that nature.
We do have the newest and latest technology for root canals that have made them virtually painless during the procedure, a digital scanner and a milling unit to readily available in order to make you a brand new tooth, brand new crown that same day.
For those patients who want a more private level of care or even just VIP management, we've even created private entrances and exits that allow patients able to leave in the comfort of their own personal space.
You know, Missouri City and Richmond, you know, we have that at our disposal. We can actually treat everybody under one roof for all specialty care. And to me, that's just fantastic. We don't have to send the patients, you know, 30 miles down the road. You know, it's all here. All can be done here.
Emergencies don't happen between 8 and 5 on Monday through Friday. We have to be available to you at all times. On our website at www.fortbenddental.com, somebody is available on the emergency line immediately, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Between our Richmond location or Missouri City, we want to be able to serve you in the way you want to be served. We're here for you, no matter what it is that you need.
Hi everybody, my name is Alyssa Lee. I'm a hygienist here at Fort Bend Dental, and today we want to talk about our laser whitening in office. Our laser whitening in office is a quick appointment. It's about an hour long. Something we can have you scheduled for, or something you can pop by and could be done same day for you. We do use a 45% hydrogen peroxide gel that we do put on the teeth, and the laser light just quickly brushes over it for up to 2 minutes. Just activates the particles within the gel, and we let it sit, and then we remove the gel right off. The reason we kind of made that jump to the laser therapy is we gained a little more knowledge on it, and come to find out sensitivity was significantly reduced, if not completely reduced. All we're using the laser for is to let the light or the beam activate the particles in the gel. That's it. We don't use the laser to cut. The laser's not getting hot or doing anything more than activating the particles of the gel that are on the tooth structure. We have had patients come back and they are very happy and pleased with the white that they have gotten to and been able to maintain at home. Everyone absorbs the bleach a little bit differently, so just because someone may go up 6 shades, someone else may only go up 2, but everyone has seen that significant change and everyone has been very happy with the change in the whitening. Here at Fort Bend Dental, we're excited to give you a different experience than maybe what you've had in the past. We look forward to meeting you.
My name is Stephanie Howard, and I'm a mom of 2, and I'm a luxury travel planner. A great smile is everything to me in my professional life as well as my personal life. I plugged the address into my GPS and it's right on the corner, big signage, I mean, you can't miss it. Walking in, I just feel like I'm walking into a luxury resort. Being a luxury vacation planner, it's something that makes me feel very comfortable. They took my temperature right when I walked in, so I knew that everybody here was safe, healthy. They gave me an iPad to check in, and then I needed to pick up a few items for my family, so I was able to do that right there at the reception area as well. Once they were ready to bring me back, the assistant welcomed me back. She showed me where the restrooms were. She let me know there was a coffee maker if I needed any coffee or water. She brought me back for my CT scan. I was very impressed. The technology was amazing. It was very quick, very easy. They were able to get everything that they needed very quickly. When I met with my doctor today, He answered all of my questions, addressed all of my concerns, and just really put my mind at ease. Even gave me a Fort Bend Dental t-shirt and a mask, so I will definitely be wearing both of those. But overall, just the staff is extremely caring. There's not white sterile walls. The views are very nice. The doctors and all the assistants and the hygienists are very kind and welcoming. You're always greeted with a smile. Just a very welcoming experience overall. I was escorted to the checkout desk where they walked through my entire treatment plan. They helped me find the right plan that is right for the services that I'll be having done. I just kind of felt like it was home for me. They made me feel very safe here, very kind, and I look forward to coming to Fort Bend Dental again.
Dwight Pecora again here from Fort Bend Dental. Just wanted to let you know about one of the most critical components and cultural components of Fort Bend Dental, and that is whole health dentistry. The ultimate goal for us is not just to care about your teeth and how they look, how they feel, but it's also about making sure that we think about the complete health of your body and everything that comes along with having a healthy mouth. All these avenues that route back to diabetes, to early Alzheimer's, cardiovascular disease. Most people forget that the mouth is the entry point by which most bacteria, most pathogens come in. And so they can affect everything about our health. Whole health dentistry is all about being able to care for you from beginning to end when it comes to dentistry. Of Fort Bend Dental, that allows us to make sure that we take care of all your care under one roof immediately as need be. Periodontal disease tends to show us areas of poorly balanced diabetes and blood sugar. Sometimes we see areas of memory issues. It's important that we help screen you from those factors and keep you from running the risks of those systemic diseases continuing to grow. At Fort Bend Dental, we believe that in order to have a healthy lifestyle, you need a healthy smile. And that's why we're here, to give you that healthy smile, to give you the reason to smile, and to make sure that your whole body is healthy.
My name is Nancy Penny, and I work as a consultant with an organization that helps nonprofits. Now, our family consisted of my husband and me and our 6 young children at the time. When I first came to Fort Bend Dental, I was thrilled that they were able to accommodate our children. They've helped us with cosmetic dentistry and with orthodontics. It means so much to us to have people who know our mouths, who know our teeth, who can accommodate for our lifestyle. Several years ago, my mom was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. My hygienist not only worked with me about maintaining good gum health, but she would ask about my mom. I needed a crown one time, and I got to watch the little machine make the crown right as we waited. Fort Bend Dental is ready with some new innovation or some new machine or some new technique that's right there when we need it. And if I were to give advice to that next young mama, I would tell her that from the time you walk in the door, the comfortable waiting room, the accommodating staff, the extra amenities that are there to make you feel reassured, I would say this is the place for you to go to.
Here at Fort Bend Dental, we're proud to offer our patients different levels of comfort through sedation dentistry. What sedation dentistry allows us to do is provide different options for our patients to come in and feel really comfortable while they're getting their dentistry done, especially for those patients who have had dental trauma happening in the past while they were younger. This allows us to have them come in, get sedated, have a different range of options where they're either awake but very comfortable or asleep and extremely comfortable. The first one, nitrous, is basically a gas mask that you kind of put over your nose. You breathe that in and the effects are immediate. You're going to feel really relaxed, however you are still awake and aware. And that's typically really good for our restorative dentistry procedures, including fillings, crowns, even root canals. Our next level of sedation includes oral sedation. This is a cocktail of pills that you will take that make you feel very relaxed. And most patients do tend to fall asleep during this sedation procedure. And we typically recommend this for more of our oral surgery procedures, including extractions, implants, bone grafting. And then our third level of sedation that we offer is IV sedation. This is where the IV is placed in your arm and we can taper and control the amount of drugs that are going in, you will be asleep and you will not remember anything. This is where we recommend this for our very high anxiety patients, patients who are very nervous. We have created a private entry and exit for our patients where their drivers can come pick them up after the procedure is done, so that way they're not walking through the front. Here at Fort Bend Dental, we're always striving for our utmost patient comfort levels, so that way our patients can come in and leave with the smile they've always wanted.
First option, a lot of people, whether they're children or adults, have crowded or crooked teeth. One option for us there is to do clear aligners. We have different products, Invisalign, SureSmile. The clear aligners are clear trays that you snap in, wear a week or two at a time, and it makes your smile look more and more beautiful as they straighten. Quick and simple, very easy, non-invasive, especially for adults or children that are mature enough to be able to wear those. The other option is we do edgewise brackets or braces. We glue the braces onto the teeth like an orthodontist would, and we're able to straighten your teeth. Those patients who have missing teeth, we can straighten those teeth that you have if they've shifted over time. We can add implants in those areas where you're missing teeth or partials or dentures, so we can restore your teeth to their optimal and give you the beautiful smile you're looking for. As far as you patients that need a partial denture, something that's removable to replace missing teeth, or if you don't have any teeth at all and want a denture made, we have our own in-house dental lab here, where we have a denturist that builds those dentures while you wait. The availability to have our lab tech, Alex, here to take those impressions with me to assist us doctors in building a denture as quickly and as simply and as safely and as easily as possible to give you exactly the smile that you're looking for.
Hi everyone, welcome to Fort Bend Dental Laboratories. My name is Ioana and I'm the lab manager. We're a team of 3 people here and we are very happy to deliver the best quality of patient care we can. Fort Bend Dental Laboratories offers a wide variety of permanent same-day solutions for our patients. Crowns, implant crowns, bridges, full dentures and partial dentures, unique night guards. We have everything available to restore and build your perfect smile. We're very proud to say that we have the best machines available for our patients. We have 2 CEREC machines that mill the crowns and make them available for our patients same day. Ceramic furnaces that we put the crowns in to be baked and give us the final product. We have several stations that help us handcraft and perfect and make sure it's a perfect fit for our patients. So this machine that you see here is similar to the ones that I showed you before, but it has the added benefit to allow us to mill something bigger, like this whole denture here, or something smaller like this bridge. So we just added this 3D printer to our lab equipment. It's a great machine that will help us produce high quality, very accurate models for our patients. Here we have a set design station and a computer and a scanner, which help us design all the appliances we do here. Once we have everything designed, we send it to a milling unit so it can be milled. Being an in-house lab technician here is amazing because I get to see how the patients react and how they feel and then how that changes their life from now on. It's very amazing.
My name is Alejandro Rombado. I'm a CDT and I've been working with Fort Bend Dental for quite a few years. We have here the ability of doing everything ourselves. We have all the top technology and professional people, and we have all the sources we need right here. We have a control of the quality where they can really see all those complexes they had are gone. Now they want to smile, and not only that, they enjoy that they can eat, but they never thought it would be for real. Patients who come to us, they just become part of the family. Thanks to the patient's feedback, to see that we are really helping to improve people's lives.
Hey everybody, Dwight Pecora here at Fort Bend Dental. Excited to be your host to kind of show you around the Fort Bend Dental Missouri City location. Fort Bend Dental Missouri City has not only built an incredible new facility, but we've also built a facility that's specifically tuned to care for patients in a private and healthy setting. We have our own in-house lab. We prefer that you actually get to see it yourself. in a 3-dimensional CT that every single operatory has. We're here to build a relationship with you. It has private operatories of each individual type. All in all, the goal of this facility is to give you a dental home where you feel comfortable and confident. And that's why we're here. And that's why we want to make it accessible to you. We want you to know that this is built for you. This is your home. So join us.